It's late in the evening. She's wondered what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long brown hair. And then she'll ask me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you were wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone turned to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she'll ask me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I seen the love life in your eyes. And the wonder of it all that you just don't realize. Oh, how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I'm gonna aching head. So I blew the park key and she helped me their bed. And then I tell her to shut on out the light. I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you wonderful tonight.